This is Taunton Dean Services on the M5. Just going to see if I can get up that bridge there and capture a bit of that sunset. It's absolutely deserted. Inside there you've got the toilets that are open and WH Smith's, and that's it. Everywhere else is shut. Even the showers are shut. So if you're a lorry driver spending a week on the road, don't think of coming here and getting a shower. There's the car park. Garage just in the distance there. But we've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, that's the lorry park over there. Fairly full. Oh yeah, we'll get a better view of the car park. So you've got your Costa down there, which is shut. You've got your McDonald's in there, which is also shut. I presume this bridge leads to the other side. Don't think you're going to see much of a sunset, really. Oh yeah, there's a better view of the there's the car park. From what I can see, there's 2 cars, 1 white van in there. And sunset over there. This is the M5 at 6:30 on a what are we, Thursday the 26th of March. That's the southbound side. There's the sun setting behind. And that's the northbound side. It's actually quieter than it normally is. I mean, there, look. Absolutely. You've got 2 cars coming towards us, 1 lorry that's pulling off, and 2 vans going southbound. And that is it. Here's the lorry park on the other side. This is also all closed up, but not one of these lorry drivers here have probably been out. It's now Thursday. A lot of these guys will have been out since at least Monday morning, if not Sunday. And that's relatively full, that one. Now I understand that they've maybe understand that they've shut the services or the food places, but surely, I mean, that's a relatively full one. This is the northbound side. Surely it's more hygienic to keep the showers open for these guys, rather than having these guys delivering your food to the supermarkets so you can keep panic buying and you can keep stocking up on a load of stuff that you're never going to need. It's surely a good idea that these guys are kept clean as well, isn't it? So come on, road chef, get your act together, get these showers open. You know, at least basic services, so that they can have a shower instead of going all week. Anyway, that's my rant over. Believe what you want to believe about this Covid-19 coronavirus, whatever you want to call it. My personal opinion, whether it's right or wrong, is that it's some kind of attack, new way of attacking the Western world to restructure the country. I mean, the country's never going to get back to normal once all this is over. I mean, that's just my opinion. correct me if I'm wrong, but there's much more to this than we're being told. This is traffic going southbound. There's much more to it than we're being told. Strongly believe that. Anyway, there's not a lot else to say apart from just have a look at that sunset.